Hey folks, welcome back to DIY Buddy Guy. Today we're changing the driver's side headlight on a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So there is a very smart engineered hole up here in the wheel well for you to not have access to the back of that headlight, because our engineers are wonderful, fresh out of college and all full of experience. So the easiest way to change that is to remove the air cleaner box, which just sets down in place with these little rubber grommets. Remove the cover, pop the box off, and you have full access to the back of the headlight, despite what anybody tells you. It's right there. I'll show you in just a second. Okay, so there's the cover that's on the back of the headlight lens from the outside. That's what you're going to see. It goes in that hole right there. What you do is you get at the back of that cover, quarter turn counterclockwise, the cover comes off, and then the bulb is in there. You cannot unclip the wiring harness from the back of the bulb, but if you give the bulb a quarter turn counterclockwise, that'll come off, the wiring harness will come with it. You disconnect the old bulb, which looks like that, and then when you go to reinstall the new bulb, don't do this. Don't touch the glass on the new bulb, because when it gets hot, the oils from your finger contaminate the glass and it burns. So be very careful to handle the new bulb only from the back. Connect it to the wiring harness, use that, install it quarter turn clockwise, and then you can put this cap back on and then snap your air fitting box back into place. Thanks for watching. So there's the air fitting box. You grab hold of it and you pull, and these rubber grommets will pull right through. There's 3 of them, and once you get that out of the way, you can see the cover right down there, the back of the light bulb. And then this assembly is just the opposite of assembly. So you put your filter back in, and then your cover for your air filter housing. Thanks for watching.